In this video, I'll guide you through how you can upload photos on Google Drive and share link. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Let's start with computer. At the beginning, you need to open a new tab and click on Google Apps and find Google Drive and click on it. Then you'll come to this page. After coming to this page, you need to click on this press new. To upload photos, you need to go with File Upload. Now you have to select the photos which you want to upload on Google Drive and click on Open. Once you upload the photos, then click on this three-dot icon and then Share. Then click on Share again, click on Restricted and set anyone with the link. Now you have the link to share your photos using Google Drive. Let's go with mobile phone. At the beginning, you need to open Google Drive and click on this plus button. Now click on Upload and choose the photos which you want to upload on Google Drive. Now click on Upload. Once you upload the photos, then click on this three-dot icon, tap on Share, click on Not Share and then Change. Now tap on Restricted and choose anyone with the link. To copy the link, then click on this link icon. Now you can share the photos link. By following this ritual, you can easily upload photos in Google Drive and share link.